Welcome to Curriculum Night. My name is Mrs. Seals, and I'll be your child's math teacher on Team 7 Blue. Here are just a few things about me. I grew up near Springfield, Illinois. My husband, Andrew, is from Liberty, Illinois. We've been married for 4 years, and we have a 2-year-old daughter named Harper. A little bit more about me. This is my 8th year teaching. It's my 2nd year at Quincy Junior High. I have my bachelor's in science in elementary education from Eureka College. I'm endorsed in math, history, and language arts. I also have my master's in educational leadership from Western Illinois University. And fun fact, I was born in Sarasota, Florida. I lived there until I was about 5, and then my parents decided to move me to Central Illinois. Just some expectations. Communication is key. Just staying in seat with our new COVID area guidelines, being respectful, following along during class, asking questions when confused. So I know math can be such a tedious subject sometimes, so making sure that asking the right questions when we're confused can help solve that confusion. And always wearing mask, and face shield, always, and left permission to take it off like during lunch. So Microsoft Team expectations, assignments and materials will be accessed through Teams under Files. I will go over that in a minute. PowerPoint resources are also provided on Microsoft Teams. Information and updates are provided on the general page of the Microsoft Teams. Bell work will be posted to Microsoft Teams daily. And if your child is absent, they'll be able to find all the information on Microsoft Teams. Another thing that I'd like to go over is our math syllabus, which is also located on Microsoft Teams. So in 7th grade, our topics are ratios and proportional relationships, the number system, expressions and equations, geometry, and statistics and probability. So what's expected in the classroom? So during our COVID times, each student is staying in their classroom that they're in the homeroom with. So they're just expected to have pencils. I do not like them to do their homework in pen, and then they have to have whiteboard markers. White loose leaf paper and graph paper would be greatly appreciated. Scientific calculator, you can get them for about $12 at Walmart or Dollar General. If you guys need any help with that, please contact me personally. And then just a binder or folder to keep organized. Every day, the students will have problem of the day on the board, and it will also be posted on Microsoft Teams. They will receive a problem of the day sheet where the questions and answers will be recorded. Each day is worth 2 points, and the problem of the day will be turned in weekly on Fridays. If the student is absent, it's their responsibility to fill out the sheet appropriately, and all of those problems are found on Microsoft Teams. So homework and classwork is 40% of the grade. When homework is assigned, it is due the next school day unless otherwise noted. If any time you don't understand a homework assignment, ask for help. Always try to work out the problem. A blank paper is definitely not acceptable. Homework should always be done in pencil. Homework will be listed daily on Microsoft Teams on our 7 Blue homework website. And then the homework is definitely the most important to be practicing to succeed in class. So tests and quizzes, you'll be tested quizzes over materials learned and discussed in class. You're expected to take notes daily. This is not an option. Each of the students were given a math book that they can follow along in class with. These notes will help a great deal with the tests and quizzes. It is your responsibility to schedule a retake for any test or quiz. Please make arrangements within 2 days of receiving your graded tests. Remember, only 2 retakes per quarter. All assignments must be turned in before retakes can be taken. Absent work. If you're absent from class, you're expected to complete all the homework. Please check online for assignments and extra work basket. You're responsible for turning in your work. You may find it on Microsoft Teams, or you'll need to talk to me. All absent work is due on or by the number of days you're absent plus 1. Late work. Students have 2 days to turn in missing assignments. After 2 days, it will result in a 0. When turning in late work, please give it to your homework teacher, Mrs. Seals, or you may turn it in on Microsoft Teams. I understand that things do come up, so please communicate with me if you're unable to turn in your work. We'll get things worked out. So here's Microsoft Team 7 Blue homework page. If you are not already a member, you can request, just send me an email and I can add you on to it. So as you see, we have history, math, reading, science, and writing. So every week I will post what is expected or what we're doing for the week. So the week of September 14th through September 18th. Monday we did homework, extra practice. We have a quiz on Wednesday, 3 for skills, 3 for homework. So you know exactly what we're doing in class. I've also, under the files tab, have added the assignments if you would ever need them. So 3-1 practice, homework, anything that the kids have been doing or will be on there in case you need to print them